Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how to check your VIN number. If you're like myself, wondering, hey, you know what, where's my vehicle's been built, what year was it built, and what does it come with. Okay, so if that is something that you're curious or that you're interested, this video for you. I'm gonna use my own personal VIN number, and of course I'm gonna block it out, but it's just for you guys to see it, and then you can get your VIN number anywhere. Or if you're buying a vehicle from Tesla, and if they assigned you a vehicle, let's say towards the end of the year, and you're wondering if it's a 2023 vehicle or is it a 2024 vehicle, you can use that VIN number and you can, for this website, and you can decode it and you can know exactly what it comes with, where it's made, everything you need to know about the car before you accept delivery. So if this is something that you're interested in, just sit back and relax and enjoy. Alright, decode the VIN. Alright, as you can see right here, it tells you like the positions 1 to 3, that's the manufacturer. In this case 7SA is Tesla, and then it has like MPV and model X and Y. Number 4 is the make, which is here. So you go down right here, C for Cybertruck, R is for Roadster, and this Model S, and Model T, and Model X, Model Y, and Model 3. Okay, so my car is Y, so it's Model Y. And number 5, it tells you the body type, and it could G or class MP3, 5 doors, left-hand drive. That's what it is. Number 6 is restraint system. And let's see, here it has a whole bunch of them. And this for D is manual type 2 seat belt, front row, center row, and 3 with front airbags, pods, sides, inflatable restraint, 5 seats. And it is, my car is 5 seats. Battery type, E for electrics. Motor and drive unit, E is for dual motors, standard for Model Y. Number 9 is just number 3, can't do anything. Check. Number 10. P, and I guess it assigned for every year. P model year is 2023. So if you were assigned, if you're buying a vehicle towards the end of the year, and you want to, and if Tesla assign you a vehicle, a VIN number, and you want to know if, hey, you know what's within, is it, am I going to get 2023 or am I going to get a new one, which is 2024? And that way you can check it before you you decide to accept the delivery, or you can just deny it or delay it until you get a VIN that states 2024. Because to some people, they believe that if they're getting 2023 and it's 2024, they lose value on it for some reasons. Maybe it's true, so, but that's how you check it. And number 11, it's letter A has been assigned to my VIN number, and it states here A is for Austin, Texas, California. So that's where my vehicle was built, and very fortunate that it was from there, because I checked on the rear motor itself, and it is a performance motor, and I made a video about that as well too. So the good thing about the performance motor is, if when my warranty expired, if I want to, or even now, if I want to get a third-party module, call it Nginx. By the way, this video is not sponsored by Nginx. It's a company that's in Canada, and they do make a lot of modules that retrofit for Tesla and boost and release all kinds of features that Tesla prohibited, like the heated steering wheel, the heated seats for some of the lower end, like the rear-wheel drive, or just a regular Tesla Model 3, stuff like that, and with that module, you buy it, you plug and play, and there's a couple of videos that would show you how to do it, but that's what I'm looking forward to. So once the warranty ends, I'm gonna buy the module, which right now I think about $2,000, not including shipping and tax, so maybe about $2,200 if I want to go that route. And number 12, which is 0. So we can go back number 11. We can check and see here. They have a lot of letters here. So they got B, probably Berlin. C, probably China. France. F, probably Fremont. Don't know where G is. Don't know what N is. Don't know what PNR. Maybe that's a near future, all the locations that Tesla might have. Okay, but and numbers E13 to 17 is just serial numbered in digits, and 44466, and that's what they have. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. So thank you for watching. If the video is helpful to you guys, feel free to leave a like. And if you love information or content about Tesla, feel free to subscribe as well. Other than that, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.